this is your very first time here, what's up, what's good, how you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you are updated every time that I drop new videos. Today I am going to be doing the review of the new KYLIE V-Day collection. Little Miss KYLIE did just turn 21 last week, and if y'all saw the picture on Instagram, it was lit. But it's everything that I could ever want in a palette, in a collection, because y'all, if you know, you've been around for a while, then you know that I am a pink and purple girl. I love pink makeup, I love all of that. So when I saw this, I'm just saying your girl was excited. So I was able to get my hands on the collection. I did get the Eyeshadow Palette, which is a very beautiful palette. This is the packaging, and if you open it up, this is what the palette looks like. It is a matte black palette, and on the front it does have Sippin' Pretty in pink glitter, which is dope. You open it up, you get 21 very gorgeous shades that range from matte colors to shimmer colors. I also was able to get my hands on 2 of the liquid eyeshadows. The first one that I got was in Born to Sparkle, and the other one was in Fine Wine. And then I also got one lippy from this collection. I was able to get Tipsy, which stood out the most to me. And this is actually my very first lip kit, so I was really excited about that. So if you guys want to see how I actually just look with this collection, go ahead and keep watching. I'll see y'all at the end. Okay guys, so to be completely honest, I did not know what to do with this palette. I got too excited and I wanted to do a lot of different things. So I went through about 2 or 3 looks before I decided on this one. So let's go ahead and hop in. So the first color that I'm going to take is Pregame. I'm going to go ahead and take a fluffy brush and put that into my crease. And this is going to act as a transition for me. And this color does kind of just blend into my complexion a little bit. It's a little bit darker, but it's just going to help me to get a flawless transition. So from there, I'm going to go into Sangria, and I'm going to place that in my crease as well. And I decided to just go for a really warm crease. First, I wanted to make my crease that matte pink color, but it wasn't working out the way I wanted it to. So I went ahead and put that on my lid, and we'll get to that in a moment. So the last color that I'm going to use in my crease is Mimosa, and I'm going to go ahead and press that right into the crease area. And to make sure that my crease is blended out, I'm just going to go back into the brush that I use for the 2 lighter colors and just dust over the edges. Then I'm ready for my cut crease. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease with my Tarte Shape Tape, concealer, and I am going to close this cut crease out. I do want to bring it all the way to the end of the lid. So for my lid, the first color that I'm going to go into is Pretty, and that is that beautiful matte pink shade that's in this palette. I feel like everyone who's getting this is most excited about. So I'm just going to go ahead and stamp that on the edge of my lid, just right on the end. Y'all look at that pigment though. I guess y'all can see where I got my idea for my backdrop today. It was really inspired by this color. And right next to that color, I'm going to go into Rsvp, because that color is similar to the liquid shadow we're going to use on the rest of the lid, and it's going to help to just blend those perfectly. And you kind of want to dust that a little bit over Pretty, just to make sure that's a seamless blend. And I don't want to lose sight of Pretty, so I'm going to dab a little bit of that back on there. I'm going to go into the new liquid eyeshadow in Fine Wine. And with the applicator, I'm going to press that onto my lid. But then I'm going to go ahead and do my detail work by putting that on my hand, and then with a small brush, I'm going to just put that everywhere else. So one thing I'm noticing about this liquid eyeshadow is it dries down really quick. So if you're not working with it, you know, really fast, like with your detail brush to get the details that you want, then it's gonna dry up on you. Just a heads up. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my eye with my Pretty Vulgar liner, put on my mascara, and also put on my lashes. And my lashes are going to be iikonn lashes in Bella. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face off camera, and I'll be right back for the under eye and to get into lips. Alrighty. So for my under eyes, I really want to bring that pink into it, but I feel like that's going to be a lot. Y'all know I don't really care about things being a lot, but I kind of want to do the most with that. But I don't know how that's going to look underneath. So the first color that I'm going to go ahead and go into is Sangria, which is what I put in the crease as well. So I'm just going to bring that color to the bottom. And I am going to smoke this color out a little bit. And yet again, excuse my faces, y'all. I'll be trying. And towards the inner corners, I'm going to go back into Rsvp, and I'm going to put that on the inner corners. And I am going to spray this brush for that so I can concentrate that color and it doesn't like get all over the place. And with the smudger brush, I am going to attempt to go into Pretty and put that, just incorporate that a little bit at the bottom. And let's see how this works out. But I am gonna go back into Sangria and use that color because now I'm feeling like it's a lot. And this way we got it down there, but you know, we got hints of the color, but we gonna make it a little darker. So as far as the shadow palette is concerned, it is a nice amount of fallout on the pans. If you look, I don't know if you guys can see, but you know, you can see all the shadow that's falling out of the pan. Not a huge deal. It's not a lot of fallout on the face, which I feel like is more important. But that's still not a huge deal because you can always just wipe it off, especially if you didn't do your face first. So no biggie. I'm gonna go ahead and line my waterline and also put on my mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face up real quick. And I am using my favorite highlighter, which is Shayla by Colourpop in Pose. And I was going to go ahead and purchase the Champagne Showers highlighter from this collection, but I mean, it did look like it was gold, and y'all know I gotta have my gold highlights, but I don't know, I just felt like it was unnecessary. So I mean, it's no big deal. I wanted to get it, but you know, if I just had to have certain things, I just felt like the highlighter didn't make the list. And I'm also going to take the color Lit, and I'm going to put that in my inner tear ducts. Let's see what that looks like. The color looks like almost just like my highlight, so I'm loving that. This will be my very first time using a KYLIE lip kit, which is probably very weird, but I just was never interested in getting them. Like $3 for a liquid lipstick and a liner, I just felt like that was a lot. But I'm going to try this one out, and let's see how I feel about it. So this color is exclusive to the birthday collection, and it is in Tipsy. We got the lip liner, and this is my first time having one of her lip liners. Like, somebody let me know, does this, how do you, once this is gone down, how do you get it to come back up? I guess you sharpen it? Do you sharpen these? Okay, I probably sound really stupid right now. Those of you who have this, don't shoot me. I'm assuming you just sharpen it. Anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with Fix Plus, and I'm done. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed my review of the new KYLIE birthday collection. And if you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Comment below if you want to. Hit subscribe below if you have not yet. And I'll see y'all on my next upload. Bye.